Hi friends, here there are few questions regarding tenses, correct form of the verbs, fill in the blanks. So these type of questions generally we observe in the competition exams like TET, DSC, groups. Okay, so she dash go to the market every day. They study English since last year. She write a letter when the lights went out. He always forget his homework. I watch TV when you called. The sun rise in the east. So to answer these type of questions, the keywords are very important in every sentence. So first of all, we should find out the keyword in the sentence. Okay, according to the keyword, we can identify the tense of the sentence. Then we can easily write the correct form to the verb in the given fill in the blank. Right. So she go to the market every day. Here every day is the keyword. Every day is a regular action. Regular action. So generally the regular actions we express in simple present tense. So she go to the market every day. We should write in simple present tense. Here the subject is she. Okay, the verb is given in the bracket, that is go. So in simple present tense, the verb should be in verb 1 form. She go. Here this is third person singular. So the verb added with es. She goes to the market every day. She goes to the market every day. It is her habit. So habitual actions should be expressed in simple present tense. She goes to the market every day. Clear? Second one. They study English since last year. Right? So here the keyword is since. The action started last year and it has been continuing at present. Okay? So since for generally we use in present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense sentence structure subject have or has been verb for object. Okay. Since is the keyword. Since we use in present perfect continuous tense to refer the point of time. So here last year is the point of time. Since indicates this action is in present perfect continuous tense. So here the subject is given subject. Then we write they have. Right? They have been. Next verb. Verb 4 form. What is the verb here? Study. So studying. They have been studying English since last year. They started studying English last year and that action has been continued to the present and it will happen few more days in the future also. So they have been studying English since last year. Coming to the next question. She write a letter when lights went out. Here there are two actions. There are two actions. One action is the lights went out. This is in simple present tense. Simple present tense. So when the lights went out, here the keyword is when. Generally this keyword we use in the combination of past continuous tense and simple past tense. While one action was going on, if the another action happens, the continuation action should be expressed in past continuous tense. The next action should be expressed in simple past tense. Here the second action, the lights went out. The second action is the lights went out. Here the continuation action, write. So she was writing. She was writing a letter. She was writing a letter. The lights went off. ఆమె లెటర్ రాస్తూ ఉండగా కరెంట్ పోయింది, పవర్ పోయింది. The lights went out. Okay, lights పోయినవి, ఆరిపోయినవి. Right. Okay, so she was writing a letter when the lights went out. Coming to the next question, fourth one. He always forget his homework. This is his habit. ఆయన రెగ్యులర్గా తన హోంవర్క్ని మర్చిపోతాడు. హీ ఆల్వేస్ is the keyword. Always, always. This keyword generally we use in simple present tense. So he always. Verb, simple present tense verb is verb 1, that is forget. Here the subject is third person singular, so verb added with s. He always forgets his homework. He always forgets his homework. Next question, I watched TV when you called. Again, here the same condition. Two past actions. One action, you made a call. Okay, when you called, మీరు కాల్ చేసినప్పుడు I watched TV means I was watching TV. నేను టీవీ చూస్తూ ఉన్నాను. మీరు కాల్ చేసినప్పుడు నేను టీవీ చూస్తూ ఉన్నాను. I was watching TV. I was watching TV. Continuation action in past. I was watching TV when you called. Okay? Right. Last one. The sun rise in the east. This is the example for universal truths. Generally, universal truths expressed in simple present tense. So the sun, third person singular, rise added with s. The sun rises in the east. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching my video. I request you all, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, The English Academy. Once again, my heartful thanks to all of you.